Guys, if you've been applying for jobs abroad and getting ghosted, don't sleep on this. Because what I'm about to show you is mind-blowing. Spain is quietly opening doors in 2026. We're talking jobs you can do without a degree, legal work permits, pathways to stay long-term. If you've been stuck, confused, or thinking, abroad is not for me, this video might change your entire direction. Let's break it down simply. Spain has a serious labor shortage. Industries like agriculture, caregiving, and hospitality are expanding fast. They need foreign workers. And here's where it gets interesting. Spain is now pushing programs to bring in non-EU workers for roles that don't require high qualifications. This is exactly how smart people move abroad. You don't fight competition. You go where there is a gap. Here are 5 hot sectors in Spain right now. 1. Agriculture workers. Roles: fruit pickers, farm assistants. Salary: 1,100 to 1,600 euros per month. No degree needed. Seasonal entry can turn permanent. 2. Hospitality and tourism. Roles: hotel staff, waiters, cleaners. Salary: 1,200 to 1,800 euros per month. Tourism in Spain is huge. They are always hiring. 3. Caregivers/elderly support. Roles: home caregivers, nursing assistants. Salary: 1,300 to 2,000 euros per month. This one, very high demand. 4. Construction workers. Roles: laborers, electric assistants, plumbers. Salary: 1,500 to 2,500 euros per month. Even entry-level positions are open. 5. Warehouse and logistics. Roles: pickers, packers, delivery assistants. Salary: 1,200 to 1,900 euros per month. E-commerce is growing fast. Guys, this is not theory. These are real sectors where people are entering right now. To qualify, you need this. 1. Valid passport. At least 1 to 2 years validity. 2. Basic Spanish, optional but powerful. You don't need fluency. But basic phrases. Huge advantage. 3. Job offer or contract. This is key. You apply, employer sponsors, you move. 4. Clean record. No serious criminal issues. 5. Willingness to work. This is not a luxury migration. You must be ready to work. Step-by-step application. Let's map this out. This is where most people fail. Not because it's hard, but because they don't follow instructions. Step 1. Prepare your CV, European style. Keep it simple. 1 to 2 pages max. Highlight any work experience. Skills, even informal ones. Step 2. Apply through official channels. Use real platforms only. Europass.europa.eu. Indeed Spanish. LinkedIn. Avoid fake agents. Step 3. Secure a job offer. Employer sends contract. This is your golden ticket. Step 4. Apply for work visa. Submit contract, passport, documents at Spanish Embassy in your country. Step 5. Travel and start work. Once approved, you move to Spain. Step 6. Convert to long-term residency. Work legally. Renew permits. After some years, you can stabilize your stay. That's the strategy. Not guesswork. Not luck. Strategy. Guys, this is your moment. If you're serious about relocating, start preparing now. Drop a comment. Your country. The sector you want. I'll guide you in the comments. And listen. If you want more real, practical move abroad strategies like this, hit like. Subscribe. Because we don't do hype here. We do strategic immigration. See you in the next one.